Hey my peeps, let's make some cute egg-shaped cookies with this cake lace texture mold I have. You can use any texture mat you have. You don't have to use this one. This is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. I think I got that on Amazon. But anyway, I rolled it onto the mat. I rolled the clay onto the mat and got the impression. And then I just cut it out with an egg-shaped cookie cutter. And that's going to be on top of my cookie. And then now I'm going to roll out the base of my cookie so I can put the textured part on top and make a pretty cookie. So you can make these cookies any size you want. I usually just make the regular small, like a 2-inch size, but you can make them as big as you want. So then you're going to take your top layer, the textured layer, and you're going to put it on top of the bottom cookie layer. And make sure you form your clay to your cookie. Sometimes your top layer is a little bigger than the bottom. Just form it to the shape of the bottom cookie. So I got this gold paint. I got this from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just taking a toothpick, not a toothpick, I'm sorry, Q-tip. And I'm dipping it in the paint, but I'm kind of brushing off most of the paint. So I just want to like rub it on the raised part of the texture that I have on my cookie. I don't want to like cover my whole cookie in gold. I just want the paint to hit the texture, the high textured areas. So you put on as much as you want. You could put the paint as thick as you want. I kind of just did a really light layer. It's kind of hard to see there, but you could kind of see the little bit of shimmer of gold on there. Then I put some of my favorite glitter, which is just like a shimmer glitter. And I'm going to put a clay flower in the middle of the cookie. And then I took a little bit of the leftover glitter paint that I had over there on the paper, and I just rubbed some on the cookie so it could also have like a gold edge on the flowers. And that's basically the cookie. I just put a little bit more of the glitter on the flower. And that's it. That's your cookie. I mean, it's so easy and so pretty. Look how that look. It looks, but you can see the texture here and the gold, the touch of gold and all that. And these, in this picture, in this video right here, better. But yeah, it's pretty easy to make. You can make a bunch of these. Talk to you soon. Hope you like it. Bye.